Alright, so let's get a data set for you guys to try, and then I'll go through it. Alright, so this will be called data set 1F. Alright, put it down sort of a boxy format first. F13, let's not put commas here. 12, 17, 15, 12, 13, 14, 12, 11, 18, 12, 13, 12, 13, 16, 12, 10, 15, 13, and 13. Alright, so what we're going to do here, and again, hopefully you will pause the movie to do these yourself, to try them. We're going to calculate the average variance and standard deviation. Alright, so this is a good spot to pause it. Alright, now we'll continue with the answer. What we'll need to call for the x's, the frequencies, fx, and fx squared. Alright, the x's. Alright, we have 10s all the way through 18s, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Frequencies of each of these, we have 110, 111, 6 12s, 6 13s, 114, 2 15s, and one each of a 16, 17, and 18. Alright, f times x, 1 times 10 is 10, 1 times 11, 11, 6 times 12, 72, 6 times 13 is 78, 114 is 14, 30, 16, 17, 18, fx squared, so f1 times 10 squared is 100. Alright, let's reverse and do x squared first. So 11 squared is 121 times 1, 121. Alright, this is more difficult. You'll pull out your calculator. 12 squared, 144 times 6 is 864. 13 squared times 6 is 1014. 14 squared times 1 is 196. 15 squared, 225 times 2 is 450. 16 squared is 256. 17 squared, 289. 18 squared, 324. Alright, then we add these columns, not the first column, not the x's. It's meaningless here. Sigma f is 20. We had 20 data points. Sigma fx, 266. Or in other words, if we added up all the x's from the raw data set, we'd find that's 266. And the final column, sigma fx squared, is 3614. Alright, let me repeat those. Sorry, That's sigma f was 20. Sigma fx is 266. And sigma fx squared is 3614. So the average x bar is sigma fx divided by sigma f. Sigma fx 266 divided by sigma f 20, and that works out to be exactly 13.3 or 13.30 if you want to go to your 4 significant places. The variance s squared is sigma fx squared minus n times x bar squared divided by n minus 1. Sigma fx squared is 3614 minus n, that's sigma f. It's 20 times x bar 13.3 squared divided by the n minus 1. 20 minus 1. And that boils down to 4.011 to 4 significant places, and the standard deviation, s being the square root of that, is approximately 2.003. Alright, and hopefully you got those answers when you tried that. And those are the 2 examples we'll have here for calculating the average variance standard deviation for grouped integer data.